So here we go with starter 2 for chapter 2.3. Sketch y equals 2x minus 6. The modulus of that, subtract 3. Label the vertex and points of intersection with the axes. So let's build this up. So let's start with y equals 2x minus 6. We know that that is going to go through minus 6 on the y-axis with a gradient of 2. Okay, now the modulus sign means that that negative part down here, the negative part of the graph gets reflected. So y equals the modulus of 2x minus 6 is going to look like this. This would then have been dashed, so it's get reflected upwards. So this part of the line on the right is y equals 2x minus 6, and the part on the left here is y equals, take the negative because it's reflected in the x-axis, so it's minus 2x plus 6. So that point is 6, and this point here, when y equals 0, y equals 0, nor equals 2x minus 6, add the 6 across, x equals 3. So we've got that. Okay, so far we've done this part. Then the second thing we've done to get that is we've applied the modulus signs to get that graph. And then the last thing we're now going to do is subtract the 3. And the minus 3 outside the function is going to move the whole graph down by 3. So we're going to get an answer which looks like this. So we're going to have our lowest point down here at at 3 take away 3, 3 negative 3 rather, and then we've got our line, whoops, what's happened there? So we've got there and here. So this is at 3 negative 3. When x is 0, so this graph here is y equals 2x minus 6, and then we've taken away 3, so y equals 2x minus 9. This line was y equals minus 2x plus 6, and we've subtracted 3. So you get minus 2x plus 3. So this point will be 3. Now the other thing we need to do is to work out the coordinates of these points where we cross the x-axis. And that's going to happen twice. There are 2 locations. So if we do the first one using this equation, y equals minus 2x plus 3. So we get y equals minus 2x plus 3. When y equals 0, we've got nor equals minus 2x plus 3, add the 2x across and divide by the 2, so x equals 3 over 2. So this point here is 3 over 2. And by symmetry, we should be able to do this one fairly quickly because it's these distances here will be the same because the gradient is the same. All right, so my instinct tells me that will be 3 plus 3 over 2. That will give us 9 over 2 for that point. Yeah, using the symmetry of the graph, but we can also check it using the equation here, y equals 2x minus 3. So we get y equals 0, nor equals 2x minus 9, 9 equals 2x, x equals 9 over 2, as we suspected it would be. I hope that's clear, and we'll move on to the third starter in a moment.